iRobot, a global consumer robot company, has reported a definitive merger agreement in which Amazon will acquire the company at $61 per share in an all-cash transaction that values iRobot at approximately $1.7 billion. iRobot CEO's Colin Angle is expected to remain as CEO of the company following completion of the merger. iRobot develops consumer cleaning products for the home. The company has continued to innovate with each product generation, solving problems to help give customers valuable time back in their day. Colin Angle, chairman and CEO of iRobot, commented, "Since we started iRobot, our team has been on a mission to create innovative, practical products that make customers' lives easier, leading to inventions like the Roomba and iRobot OS. Amazon shares our passion for building thoughtful innovations that empower people to do more at home, and I cannot think of a better place for our team to continue our mission. I'm hugely excited to be a part of Amazon and to see what we can build together for customers in the years ahead." iRobot is a global consumer robot company that designs and builds thoughtful robots and intelligent home innovations that make life better. The company first introduced its Roomba robot vacuum in 2002. To date, the company has sold millions of robots worldwide. iRobot's product portfolio features technologies and advanced concepts in cleaning, mapping, and navigation. Shares of iRobot trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol IRBT. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.